Welcome to our roundup of the best socket sets, the essential collections of tools every DIYer, mechanic, or home workshop enthusiast should consider. Whether you're tightening bolts on your bike, working on a car engine, or assembling furniture, a quality socket set makes those tasks faster, safer, and more efficient. We've handpicked the best sets available today, from comprehensive full-kit collections to compact grab-and-go options. And we'll walk through each one's key features like drive size, number of pieces, storage case, material quality, and overall versatility. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in and find the perfect socket set for your toolbox. Starting off with a truly comprehensive option, the Vever 450 PCS socket set is ideal for anyone who wants a large selection of tools at their fingertips. This set typically includes metric and SAE sockets, various drive sizes, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2. Ratchets, extensions, adapters, and bits, giving you flexibility across a wide range of projects. Its all-in-one nature means you're less likely to need extra tools when facing diverse tasks. One of the standout features of this set is its organization system. Each piece has its own labeled spot in the storage case, making it easy to keep tools in place and quickly find what you need. The sockets and accessories are usually constructed from hardened chrome vanadium steel for strength and corrosion resistance, so they stand up to repeated use. Whether you're loosening rusted bolts, working under the hood, or tackling home improvement projects, the Vever 450 PCS socket set offers both breadth and durability. Many users appreciate how robust and complete this set feels right out of the box. It's especially great for those building a workshop from scratch or upgrading a bare toolbox. While its size means it takes up considerable space, its value, in terms of pieces and utility, makes it a go-to choice for serious DIYers and pros alike. Next up is the DeWalt Mechanic Socket Set, a professional-grade selection from one of the most trusted names in tools. DeWalt is synonymous with durability and performance, and this socket set lives up to that reputation with high-quality sockets designed for real-world mechanic work. With a focus on standard drive sizes and commonly used sockets, this set is tuned for auto repair, maintenance, and heavy-duty tasks. Typically made from heat-treated alloy steel with precision machining, the DeWalt sockets provide a snug fit on fasteners, reducing the likelihood of rounding or slipping under torque. The included ratchets and extensions often feature quick-release mechanisms and ergonomic grips, making repetitive tasks easier on your hands. The storage case is rugged and well-organized, helping you keep every piece secure and readily accessible. For impact tool users or anyone who regularly tackles tougher jobs like suspension work, wheel lug nuts, or machinery maintenance, the EgoFix Drive Impact Socket Set brings a higher level of readiness. Impact socket sets are specifically designed to pair with impact wrenches or drivers, with thicker walls and tougher steel to absorb the rapid forces an impact tool delivers. The EgoFix set typically includes impact-rated sockets in both metric and SAE sizes, plus adapters that let you switch between 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 impact driver setups. The impact sockets are usually made from high-strength chrome molybdenum steel, engineered to resist cracking or wear under heavy use. Users who pair this set with electric or pneumatic impact tools often note how much more reliable and safer it feels compared to using standard sockets. Standard sockets can crack or deform under repeated impact use, so having impact-rated gear helps protect both the tool and the operator. If your work regularly involves tougher fasteners, automotive repairs, or construction tasks, the EgoFix Drive Impact Socket Set is engineered for strength, longevity, and efficiency. Moving to a more compact and portable option, the LLNDI 48-piece mini socket set is ideal for everyday tasks, small projects around the house, or as a convenient travel set in your car or workshop. This kit typically focuses on the most commonly used sizes, with a balanced mix of metric and SAE sockets that cover general repair and assembly needs. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to carry to job sites or stash in your vehicle for emergency repairs, and the case is often designed to keep everything neatly organized without taking up too much space. The sockets are usually made from durable chrome vanadium steel, offering the strength you need for tightening or loosening nuts and bolts on bikes, appliances, lawn equipment, and small automotive tasks. Users appreciate how the LLNDI set covers everyday situations without overwhelming you with hundreds of pieces you may never use. While it doesn't offer the extensive range a full workshop set provides, its portability and practical coverage make it excellent for homeowners, renters, or anyone who likes a reliable secondary kit for quick fixes. Finally, topping our list as the best overall socket set this year is the EgoFind 46 Pieces Socket Set, a balanced, everyday kit that pairs well with most common tasks while staying compact and user-friendly. This set typically includes a suite of sockets in both metric and SAE sizes, a durable ratchet, extensions, and adapters, all packed into a thoughtfully organized case that's easy to take to job sites or keep in the garage. What makes the EgoFind set stand out is how well it balances coverage, quality, and price. It includes enough sizes to handle most household repairs, automotive tasks, furniture assembly, and maintenance jobs, yet it remains compact enough that it doesn't feel overwhelming or bulky. The sockets and ratchet are usually crafted from hardened alloy steel with precise machining for good fit and torque performance. Many users highlight the ergonomic design of the ratchet handle and the smooth action it provides, which helps reduce fatigue during longer jobs. Cleanup, storage, and identification are made simple thanks to the case design that keeps everything in view and in place. For anyone who wants a reliable, everyday socket set that doesn't overcomplicate your toolbox, the EgoFind 46 Pieces Socket Set hits a sweet spot, and that's why it earns our top spot on this list. When choosing the right socket set, consider how your tools will be used most often. Everyday household repairs, automotive work, heavy-duty projects with impact tools, or on-the-go tasks. Drive size, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2. Matters for torque and reach, while build quality and case design help keep everything accessible and reliable over the long run. And that wraps up our roundup of the best socket sets this year. From the comprehensive Vever 450 PCS socket set, the professional-grade DeWalt Mechanic socket set, the tough EgoFix Drive Impact socket set, the portable LLNDI 48-piece mini socket set, to our top recommendation, the EgoFind 46 Pieces socket set. There's a perfect kit here for every toolbox and every level of project. Which one will you pick to upgrade your tool collection? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And be sure to check the description box for current deals so you can grab the best socket set for your needs today. Thanks for watching.